Smells Diner, and I'm gonna walk you into the square I told you about earlier. And they said they might take this store down, but I'm not sure. So we're just gonna film. So this is like the Disneyland one. It's kind of weird. Disneyland has a little alley like this, which nobody really knows. There's a restroom here? Oh, right. What in the world is that? There's nobody here, so if you don't like to be bothered, you can just come over here. That's where I just came from, over there, and here's a Christmas tree. Oh, I know what. And here is just what I get out of, and then this whole construction is gonna be Despicable Me, right? And I'm sure there are shops and stuff. Here's the Irish pub. Ooh, we have some people working on it. But what's really cute is this. They pretend the minions are at work, they're having lunch. So cute. You want the house? There's some people working right now, which is funny because I look weird. Wow, look at the house. I love this, but the ride's gonna be 2 hours long. So hopefully when I come in the weekday, lovely minion. That's take dinner. This one's having sandwich. This one's not happy, sandwich. Ooh, nobody's having banana. And this guy's pulling the rope. Thank you God for giving me great energy. I mean, I can walk in the theme park, enjoy my time, because walking is good for me. So thank you for letting me walk in theme park. That way I can lose weight, build up strength, and be cool and awesome. Yeah, I love this door. They say it's going down, like, I don't know, construction or closing, whatever. There's the phone booth. And then here's the keep calm and carry on bus. And here's the